The BulkSMS Integration Gateway can integrate with various platforms, and in this video we'll show you how to connect to HubSpot. Step 1. Go to the Integration Gateway link in the description and log in with your BulkSMS account details. Step 2. Create a new integration. Enter the name you'd like to give this integration and select HubSpot for the integration type. Click Create to continue. Step 3. Click Settings to set up your integration. Click the Authenticate button to begin the OAuth process. Here you will authorize BulkSMS to connect to your HubSpot account and install the BulkSMS app from the HubSpot marketplace. You will only see this page if you have multiple HubSpot accounts. Select your primary account and click the Choose Account button to continue. You should see a successfully authenticated message. Step 4. Configure your integration. Once the page has refreshed, you can see the account holder's email address, the button to disconnect the account, and a few additional options. Enter your default country code here and select your primary destination field. This will indicate which field will be used for your contact's phone number. Activity updates are enabled by default. We recommend leaving these on as this allows the integration to push status reports and replies into your HubSpot integration. Click Save Settings and your integration is all set up. Step 5. Update your activity filters. Let's switch over to HubSpot. To ensure you see all activity updates, you'll need to go to a contact and select the Activities tab. Click Filter Activity and under the Integrations column, make sure that the BulkSMS option is checked. That wraps up our quick start guide. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy the enhanced messaging experience with our BulkSMS HubSpot integration.